So, I mean, let's take you have a company you're interested in. You go and meet the management. What are you looking for specifically to tell whether you can actually trust these people?
Well, I mean, for me, part of it's track record. So there's a small company I'm looking at now, small Canadian company. You look at their track record; they're doing great. The one thing they're following an M&A strategy. And my concern was, okay, these guys are doing stuff in these little niches. What happens when the niche runs out and you can't do M&A anymore? Because a lot of the high returns on capital were basically predicated upon making good acquisitions. And when I talk with management, the thing they said is, okay, the way we look at this is not in these specific niches, but we look at more broadly in terms of any kind of, let's say, they were focused like on, heating storage tanks and tanks that go on the back of trucks that are basically, for transporting natural gas and liquids. And he said the way we think about this is we think about it as really any metal bending industry. And so from that perspective, I think it really provided I think what I'm trying to find when I talk with management is I've got a model in my head. I know what I would really like and trying to get very specific information from that, because I think you can tell a lot from a company's track record, at least initially, of what's going on and sort of what's the reputation over time in terms of the way they look at stuff.